Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to factory reset your Mac Mini. Before you begin, it's crucial to prepare your device. First, back up all your important files to an external drive or cloud service. Next, sign out of all your Apple accounts, including iCloud and iMessage. Finally, unpair any Bluetooth accessories connected to your Mac Mini. These steps ensure your data is safe and your device is ready for a clean wipe. Now, let's erase your Mac Mini. Start your device in Mac OS recovery mode by holding down the power button or Command R during startup, depending on your Mac's chip. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility. Select your main startup disk, usually named Macintosh HD, and click Erase. Make sure to choose Apps as the format for newer Mac OS versions. This process will completely wipe all data from your drive. With your disk erased, it's time to reinstall Mac OS. From the Utilities window in recovery mode, select Reinstall Mac OS. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. It's vital to keep your Mac Mini connected to a reliable power source and a stable Wi-Fi network throughout this entire procedure. The installation can take some time, so patience is key for a successful setup. Once Mac OS is reinstalled, you'll see the Setup Assistant. If you're selling or giving away your Mac Mini, do not complete these steps. Instead, press Command Q on your keyboard to shut down the device. This leaves the Mac Mini in an out-of-box state, ready for the next owner to personalize it. Your Mac Mini is now factory reset and prepared for a new beginning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.